Hey YouTube. Okay, sorry about the camera setup being back on the computer, but I wanted to do a review on Webull, which is an app that I have on my phone. And I have this program to screen record my phone from the computer. So what you're seeing here on the left here, this is pretty much my phone, and this is the Webull app already open. This isn't exactly crypto related, but as you can see, you can buy certain crypto on Webull. And I just started using this platform, and I have very strong opinions on it. So I figured I would review it to let all my friends know what the brains behind the credible crypto Corgi, felt about this platform. I don't want to ruin things, so stay tuned, but spoiler alert, I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. So stay tuned to find out why. If you're watching and you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I am stuck at 25 subscribers, and I'm pretty much at 1 to 0 views for my videos right now, so I don't know who's going to watch this anyways. But gotta keep on keeping on, so please subscribe, and if you find value in any of these videos, let me know. Leave a comment, leave a like, anything you can do to support the channel, because I'm dying of thirst, guys. I'm not a attention hog or social butterfly. Your attention does not validate my existence, but in order to be anything on YouTube, I do need subscribers. So that's why I'm desperate, because I want to get my content out to YouTube so that eventually I can grow the channel and more people can get valuable information from an idiot like me. All right, so moving on. This is Webull, and honestly, the only reason I actually even got the application was because of a previous video where I was talking about Webull referral codes, and I had mentioned the platform, having never used it, and said, hey, you know, I don't even have a referral code for this, but maybe go try it out. And then the more I thought about it, the more I said, well, heck, why not get a referral code? So, because I have friends who use the platform and they've never complained about it. So I used their referral code. They got some free stocks. I got a free stock. That's pretty cool. It's always pretty cool to get free stuff. And so I started using it. I figured, what the heck? I'll deposit $50 to it, play around, see what I like, see what I don't like. And worst case scenario, if I don't like it, I'll just withdraw my free stock. I'll sell it at some point on a pop, and I'll just close it out and never use it again. I got the free stuff. Time to move on, right? So I deposited $50, and I noticed that for a very long time the deposit was pending, and they give you credit if you open a margin account, like most other platforms. They will allow you to purchase stocks on margin before your money actually clears, which can take like 5 to 7 business days. I had $50. I didn't feel like paying attention to any stocks or anything. My thought was, I'm just going to buy $50 of Bitcoin, because I love Bitcoin. I'll hold Bitcoin forever. No matter if it goes up or down, I don't have to pay attention to it. So if I, at the end of the day, forget about this account completely, my $50 will turn into 6.7 million in the near future. You know, who knows? So I went ahead and tried to buy some Bitcoin, and that is one of the few things that you actually can't buy on margin. And in retrospect, that actually makes sense. You know, these cryptocurrencies have final settlement pretty soon, so it wouldn't make sense to allow someone to purchase on margin in case the funds don't clear, and then they're on the hook for that. So I did have to wait a while before I could be able to purchase the Bitcoin. And then once my funds cleared, that was, I got a notice that the funds had cleared, and maybe I can pull that up here. Well, okay, this isn't in the list of messages. Which, side note, as I'm looking at the messages, the first thing I had to do when I downloaded the app was disable all the notifications. This thing spams you constantly between the Learning Center and the Webull and feedback and all the other alerts that I never wanted. The thing was driving me nuts. I just had to turn everything off. And I thought maybe I'll just keep this one price alert so that if Bitcoin plummets, I can put an order in. And so I went through the settings. I disabled everything I could except for price alerts. And still, I was getting like advertisement notifications from the thing. So the thing doesn't even follow its own rules. I had to use my phone settings to stop all of the notifications from the app. And so that made life a little bit better. The second thing that happened was when my funds cleared, they froze my account. So I got this message. After my account had already cleared. I did all the KYC. I did my deposit cleared. I got this account. Please upload additional information to complete Webull account opening. We need additional documents to verify your identity. Please upload your documents to Webull. One thing worth noting is to give them credit, I don't think this is an English-run company. I think this is Chinese, and so it's probably not native language in English. So some of these might be weird translations. But one thing to note is they're not telling me what documents I need to upload. If I click on the message to try, it doesn't bring me anywhere to upload any documents. I clicked around the app. I signed onto the computer. Everywhere I could find, nothing was flagging me. I actually even went into the alert center, and my profile actually said my risk level was safe and that they considered me a fine, upstanding member of their platform. So I couldn't figure out what documents they needed or where it needed to be uploaded to save my life, and I'm not a stupid person. I can usually figure these things out pretty easily. So either that's a poorly designed account freeze or an account freeze in error. Either way, I was very unhappy because Bitcoin was at around $31,000 at the time, and I really, really wanted to buy it. So I missed out on that. My $50 purchase of $31,000 Bitcoin. Either way, I sent a message to the support staff, which is just probably a bot. Bots are aggravating enough when they're in English, and again, I think this bot was probably primarily operating in Chinese, translated to English, which made it even more frustrating. And so this is the exchange I had with them. Describe your problem and suggestion. Like I said, I don't think that's English completely. So then I gave them the problem, and they asked for a screenshot, and that's understandable. We can better understand your situation, provide further support. If you forgot the answers to your security questions, you can always find Reset Now under the Submit button. So this whole thing, they went off into a tangent about like a login process, which made no connection to the problem I was encountering. I have no idea where this came from. It wasn't a login in problem. I didn't forget my account details. I wasn't trying to do a password reset. I did not need help with my security questions. I was not trying to reset the account. I was just trying to buy Bitcoin, and my account was frozen. The $50, I would have been really upset if it was more than $50 I had deposited. Like, let's say it was $1,000, and that was frozen, and I didn't have any idea how to unfreeze it because they weren't telling me what to upload, where, and then I was getting this as their support team. Definitely dropping the ball. Did not appreciate any of that. So then I went on, and they eventually said, yeah, okay, your account's unlocked, because it shouldn't have been locked in the first place. So it was just a frustrating exchange. And I still haven't been able to buy any Bitcoin because of one more thing I don't like, which I will show you here. Maybe it's the app, maybe it's Maybelline. But if I go to put an order in for Bitcoin, this time in force, this is pretty common to see on trading platforms. You'll see day, or you'll see other options generally. Day means the order is going to be canceled after a day. You have day plus EXT on like TDA, which means day plus extension, which is like pre-market and after-market hours. Or you'll see GTC, which means good till canceled. And so there are like these options that you can select to see how long I want the order to stay in place. And for some reason, Webull, I'm only allowed to have a day order. Nothing I can do can unselect this. Nothing I can do to come up with a different selection, scrolling. Nothing I can do. So I don't know if this is the app's problem or my a problem with my account. Maybe they're still limiting me. Like, I don't know why they would limit an account to only day orders. That doesn't seem like a security thing. But if it's an option, for some reason I'm not getting it. And if it's not an option, then why the hell is it here in the first? Like, why is it even here? Like, if I can't change it from day, why have it selectable? So either way, I don't understand this. I've used a couple trading platforms. This has never been a particular issue for me. I don't know what I'm missing. So anyways, I've been placing orders. They get canceled after a day, and I just keep having to replace them. You can see my crypto buying power now is $50 because my account is unlocked, and I'm able to buy for $50. So anyways, you know, that's the last gripe that I have about the trading platform. It's my take on it is that it's a half step up from Robinhood. So you know, it is what it is. I wouldn't depend on this if I were a day trader and making hundreds of $1,000s of trades at a time. But you know, if you're the average degenerate ape trader and you're just yellowing your $500 of rent into AMC or GME, then you know, maybe this is fine. So I will probably not continue to use this. I will keep it open because I do have a referral code to it now. So if you want to get some free stocks, use my referral code and sign up for Webull. It's just because it's a terrible platform doesn't mean you can't get their free stuff. You know, my thought on that is get the free stuff they give you, or take it out, download TDA, and move on. I don't even have a referral code to TDA. It's just a better platform, so use it. I don't even think they do referral codes. Like that's one of the things like you got to know. Like this thing has to beg people with referral codes to use it. A platform like TDA is actually a solid, legit platform. It doesn't give referral codes. I don't think they need to. It's just a better platform. So yeah, I mean, like I said, use my referral code, get some free stuff. I'll get some free stuff, and then never look back or use it again. So that's my review on Webull, guys. Let me know what you think about that. Do you use the platform? Am I stupid? Am I missing something? Are you going to use the platform? And did you have any of the same issues I had? My recommendation is if you do, sign up for that free stock. There's no minimum deposit as far as I remember. I think you can literally just sign up, deposit $5 actually. No, $5 is the minimum now that I think about it. I think you can sign up, deposit $5, and get your free stuff and move on. So yeah, let me know how it goes. With that being said, quick wrap up with Bitcoin. Again, still looking weak. Everyone's on edge for this weekend action. Weekend action is never something to be trusted, but you know, it's still possible it dips in the 20s, and it's still possible it rips into the 40s. So, you know, stay tuned. It's going to go up or it's going to go down. All right, this was a longer video than I wanted it to be. I'm going to have to do quite a bit of editing probably because I don't know what kind of stuff I am sharing with you on my phone and on my computer that I use for personal stuff, like Bitcoin. So, all right, I'm rambling now because I'm bored, guys. I'm bored of this price action, and I'm bored that all my crypto ventures are not coming to fruition just yet. Still on some vacation time for work, so I don't know, guys. Somebody play some chess with me. All right, bye.